Ever wondered how chocolate is actually made? From a cacao pod to this irresistible chocolate bar. Let's follow the journey.
The ripe pods are carefully selected before harvesting. Workers carefully harvest the ripe cacao pods directly from the trees.
The freshly harvested pods are gathered for processing.
Inside each pod are cacao beans surrounded by sweet white pulp. The fresh beans are carefully separated from the empty pods. The collected beans are now ready for their first major transformation. The collected beans are moved to the fermentation stage. The beans are placed together so natural fermentation can begin.
Now, natural fermentation begins to develop the cacao's characteristic flavor.
During fermentation, the beans are carefully monitored to maintain consistent quality. After fermentation, the beans are transferred for controlled drying.
Controlled drying gradually brings the beans to the moisture level needed for further processing.
Regular turning helps the beans dry evenly across the entire batch. Once sufficiently dried, the beans are inspected before collection. After drying and inspection, the cacao beans are prepared for transport. The dried cacao now begins its journey to the chocolate factory. The dried cacaos have now arrived at the chocolate factory. Inside the facility, the cacao is unloaded and prepared for inspection.
Set it down right here.
Each incoming batch is weighed and recorded before processing. Samples are taken to check the condition and consistency of the beans.
Quality checks help ensure only suitable cacao enters the production line.
Before roasting, the cacao beans pass through a careful cleaning process.
Automated sorting separates the beans according to quality and condition. With the beans cleaned and sorted, the next stage is controlled roasting.
Now the cleaned cacao enters the roasting stage, where heat begins transforming its flavor and aroma.
Controlled roasting develops the deep aroma and flavor of the cacao. The roasted beans are cooled carefully. They are cracked to separate the nibs from their shells. Airflow removes the lightweight shells, leaving behind the concentrated cacao nibs. These clean roasted nibs contain the essential cocoa solids and natural cocoa fat.
The nibs are ground until their natural cocoa fat turns them into a rich, chocolate-colored paste. This rich cocoa liquor becomes the foundation for the chocolate mixture.
Measured ingredients are added to the cocoa liquor to create the chocolate mixture. Powerful mixers combine them into a smooth mass. Powerful mixers combine ingredients into a smooth chocolate mass. Refining reduces particle size for a much smoother texture.
The refining stage creates the smooth foundation needed for premium chocolate. Conching works the chocolate for an extended period, developing a smooth...
Continuous mechanical action, smoothness, and aroma. Samples are checked to ensure the chocolate has reached the required consistency. With the chocolate refined and conched, it is ready for precise tempering. After controlled cooling, the solid chocolate bars are released from their molds. From carefully harvested cacao, from the factory to the store shelf, the finished chocolate is finally ready to be enjoyed.
For watching this type of more content, please like, subscribe, Sketchy Mood channel.